the National Convention Organizing Committee of our party. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Debo. It seems like this was set up for physically, vertically challenged people, so I may bend a little bit to speak into the to speak into the mic. Thank you. Yes, well, we have just had the inaugural meeting of the Transportation Subcommittee, and as you probably saw downstairs, we had the Deputy Chairman of the National Convention Organizing Committee, Ibadan 2025, with us, in the person of my brother, former Minister Tamino Turaki, SAN. So it's just a demonstration of the fact that the National Convention of our great party, the train has moved, and whoever is trying to stop a moving train is probably also trying to commit suicide. So my advice is, please, no matter how highly placed, no matter what has transpired in the past, we don't want to see anyone dead. So please don't commit suicide. And in terms of the work of the subcommittee itself, we've brought a new idea to the table. If you remember, the last convention, 2021, I served as the secretary of that convention committee. But today, I've been asked to chair a subcommittee. And in the spirit of doing everything and anything to put our party on the path that Nigerians would love to see, we decided that no amount of assignment is too small or too big. So if they like, let them say I should be the one to clean the floor in Ibadan. For the sake of this party, for the sake of democracy in Nigeria, I will gladly do it. So one innovation that we've brought on the table, and this came from the interactive session with members of the committee, is that we're now going to leave our party members, party faithfuls, and the delegates to themselves, to get to Ibadan. We will start our job right from when they want to step out of their various states, and we'll manage the process all the way to Ibadan and back to their various states after a successful national convention. So if you have any question for me, I'll be ready to answer. Yes. One, am I talking to any faction within PDP? My answer is no. We have a party that has gone through a full cycle. We have been a government in power when democracy returned to Nigeria in 1999. We've gone through those challenges of, governing this country. We have people with experience that have led or occupied positions of leadership in this country. And we've gone to the bottom of it, where we lost power in 2015. And we've been in opposition since then. So, challenges will come and go, but for us as leaders, no matter what situation we find ourselves, organizing the party, it's not the end in itself. The end is for Nigerians to have democracy and for Nigerians to have a party, that they can relate with. So if you're saying somebody is defecting, our house is not in order, democracy is about conflict and conflict resolution, and also the resilience. In fact, we must be happy that we have a party that has refused to be distracted, that have stayed focused on what the Nigerian people would like to see. Do we want a one-party state in Nigeria? From the last time I checked, the answer is no. Nigerian people, they want multi-party democracy. They want people to come up with ideas, and that is exactly what we're doing in PDP. So we're not distracted. Now, your second question about governors defecting, senators defecting, I already addressed that. We're not concerned, and we're not bothered, because the ultimate decider here will be the Nigerian people. And the only time I'll be concerned, or the only time that we will be concerned as a party, is when we see hunger defect from the ordinary people on the street and join APC. Then that's time we will be concerned. Days back, I set up a committee in Oyo State to work towards the celebration of Oyo State at 50. And I said to them that please go to everywhere. People that have served Oyo State, we want to recognize them. We want to appreciate them. We want to reward them. So having said that, that is also my position when it comes to what is happening democratically at the national level. Nigeria's democracy is still unfolding. So, some people have had the opportunity, they've done their bit for this country, but this is where we find ourselves. So, it may not be something that you snap your finger and say, well, okay, it's not like a military government. This democratic process, this dispensation started in 1999. Even in advanced democracies, like the UK, I can't remember precisely the name, but one of their leaders defected just about a week or two ago, either from Liberal Party to whatever. But also in the US, a country that has been practicing democracy, I remember late Senator Joe Lieberman. He was a Democrat. And then they had issues within their party, and then he ran as an independent. So I would say yes, it's a challenge that we have to look at, But in all of this, the question is, where are the Nigerian people and what are their expectations? Well, I already said to people several times, I'm old enough to set an agenda for myself. For us, we must have a party before anyone can have an ambition. So all the effort right now, except you're saying that, no, forget about having a party, just focus on ambition. So nobody's going to set an agenda for me. First thing first, our first step is to put our best effort, the best foot forward to ensure that Oyo State is able to host the best national convention ever in the history of PDP, and that is exactly what we're focused on. Well, being a member of a political party is something that is voluntary. It means you're ready to submit yourself to the constitution, you know, of the party that you're joining. And people may sometimes think that managing people, managing political parties, managing you know, governance processes are very simple. They are not. They're actually very complex and complicated. Yes, no party should condone indiscipline. But having said that, you have to go through a process. You have your constitution. Our constitution has been framed such that even when people have issues with the party, when you have issues bordering on discipline, there's still a process. You know, we don't want to wake up and say, oh, okay, you know, somebody has been expelled or suspended. Democracy is a process of governance that has a process. It's not like in the military. And let me even take us all back to the military era. So that, oh, okay, look, there must be a bridge here with immediate effect. Where has that taken us as a country? We've had, you know, automatic alacrity, you know, all those things in the past. Still, having due process, having a system that is robust enough, and also being in a situation where your system is elastic to the extent that you can accommodate all kind of challenges. So the assurance is the wheel of discipline, you know, is rotating, but maybe not fast enough, but we sure get to a point where people will get what they deserve in terms of what they've done to the party. Okay, I'll challenge you to go anywhere. When I was contesting to be governor of Oyo State in 2018-2019, if you see any clip of me saying this government has not done this or should have done this, I'd like to see it. We have a totally different approach. Because the people of Nigeria, They are not blind. They know. You may think, propaganda will, paper over this. No. The people of Nigeria, they know. So what we did was we put together a document and said, look, if you give us the opportunity to serve you, this and this and this and this are the things that we will do. Hold us accountable and responsible to those things we have put in black and white. I can give you the assurance that we don't even, we're not going to spend our energy and time talking about they should have done this or they shouldn't have done this, because Nigerians, they are aware. They are more aware than we leaders are even giving them credit for. But the PDP you will see post-convention with new leaders, new heroes coming up will be a PDP that will come out boldly to tell Nigerians what they will do for them. And it will be in black and white such that we can be held accountable.